Hello, and thank you for taking time to watch this video. I've been discussing learning management systems, and today I will focus on D2L Brightspace and its tool for gradebook management. First, I will go into the appropriate course. Now, up on the nav bar, I will scroll across until I find the grades icon. From here, if you've never launched it, you will start out with the setup wizard. But for today, I'm going to focus on using the settings options. For this demonstration, I'm going to make some selections, but as the instructor, you can choose whichever tools you would like in here to adjust for your course. Once I have selected everything appropriately, I will click Save to change the settings. Now I can go into the organization unit display. I'm going to choose all three of these options here. I'm going to allow the users to add their grades to their ePortfolio. Once again, I'll click Save to record the changes. Under calculation options, you can choose to do a weighted, points, or a formula system. I'm going to go with points. Now you can do a calculated final grade or adjusted final grade. And you can select to drop or treat the ungraded items as a zero. Finally, I'm going to select automatically keep final grades updated. Again, I'll click Save. I'm going to say yes. Now I've created the grade book. Now to create graded items, I'll click on grades once again. From here, I will click on New. I can create categories. For this example, I'll create a week 3 category. Then I'll save the category. You can see I've created some other categories, and now I can create an item within those categories by clicking the New dropdown again and selecting Item. I'm going to choose numeric, but there are other options available as well. I'm going to label this Week 3 Discussion Post. I'm going to change the points to 5. I'm going to save it. You can see that it is all recorded here in my gradebook. Now, just to make sure it is showing correctly as a student, I'm going to go to Class List, use the arrow next to my demo student to impersonate, and I'm going to click on Grades again. Now you can see how these graded items appear in the student's gradebook. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. I hope it helped you understand how to use the gradebook tools in D2L Brightspace.